Welcome, here I've got WIKO View 3 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's stay on modes from the left, not on the settings from the right, and here we have the professional mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here allows us to control the focusing. Now we are on autofocus. By using this slider we can change it to the manual and we can use it like that. Of course we can easily go back to auto by sliding to the left to the beginning of the slider, and we are again on autofocus now. Let's move to the second button. Here we have the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our picture. Now we are on auto white balance. By using this slider we can pick some lights we have, so it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a picture. Here we have incandescent light, then daylight, fluorescent light, and also the cloudy light. And when we go back to the left to the beginning of the slider we go to the auto white balance, so this is really easy also. Let's move now to the ISO, the next button. Here we can control camera sensitivity to light, and by using the slider we can make it less sensitive from 100. As you can see, by going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 1 and 6000. So I think this spectrum is really good and enough to this kind of camera. Of course, to go back to auto ISO we have to slide to the left to the beginning of the slider. And let's move to the last one button here. This is the exposure compensation. So for now we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right on the slider we can make our photo more bright. By going to the left we can make it more dark, as you can see. And here at the center we have 0 parameter, so now we are again on auto exposure compensation. In this pro mode we have also this big button from the right, so by just one tap here we can go to wide angle lens, another tap to go back to the standard. So also this is really cool. Now let me stay on this kind of view and let me use these settings to take the picture. So let's start with exposure compensation and a little bit brighter, then ISO, maybe here, the white balance, maybe incandescent light, and defocusing here. To see my photo let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. I suggest you to making experiments with all of these settings and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.